Hi everyone, we got this nice big package from Soft99 Europe, and now we're gonna see together what is inside. So let's start opening this package. You see it's packed pretty well. So here we have Japan, car care and maintenance, Soft99 Europe. What is inside? I'm very interested. I have no idea what is inside. This was grab the phone and let's see what is inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. There is a lot of stuff inside. Lot of stuff. There is super cloth. So it's microfiber cloth to use. Oh, it actually there's Finnish language in. Nice, that's nice. Here we have another super cloth and a third one and the fourth one. And what is this? This is Ultra Clago. Oh, I know. This is for the windshield. You just put this on the windshield and it repels the water and dirt, everything. I know this. I know this product. There's this little, I don't know what this is in English, but yes. Clago blade. So this is for plastic and windows. Oh, this is cool stuff. For the plastic and glasses. Oh, we're definitely gonna try that one. Let's see, we have also Clago 45 to 60 kilometers. Wow, this is a fast product. What is this? What is this? It's for car windows, all of those, windshields, everything. It's just a different product to use. So we have that kind of product. Oh, this glass compound roll-on. This is heavy stuff. This is pretty heavy. Removes even fluorine coating layer. Whoa, that's gonna be interesting. Oh, what is this? We have Nylklago. Basically, it's a roller. Again, with the windshield and mirrors, windshields. Wow. Got pretty much stuff already. And as you can see, the box is still quite full. What do we have? We have a small detail brush. Whoa. For the car interior. Oh, we're gonna use this to clean her inside. Definitely. Let's put it right there. So what we have? What is this? Leather seat cleaner for luxury cars. Whoa. Japanese all over. But yeah, it's for the car seats. Nice. Here we have another 7 wet seats. I think this is for the cockpit. For the inside of interior as well. And we still have a lot of stuff in here. We have this spot remover. What this do? It's for the cloth interior. Remove the dirt and everything. Nice. Just a little sponge to use. Nice. What is this? This is Klago for Mirror Coat Zero. Wow. Oh, this is for the monitors, cameras, mirrors. Wow. This is nice. I didn't know that there are so many Klago stuff in the market. Oh, this is leather seat cleaner. Ooh. We're definitely gonna use this as well. Then we have what is this? Anti-fog spray. Okay, so I don't have any foggy windows anymore. We're gonna try that. I'm very interested to see what is this one. Klago, it's spray -40. De-icer. Ah, if your windows is iced, this will melt them. Ooh, you don't need to scrape them anymore. Wow, this is good. This is good. Gonna try that. It's cold next time. Then we have this cleaner and water repellent coat for windows. So it's de-cleaner. Wow, this bird turd and dirt and every. It's easy. It says that it is easy to use. Okay, and it's ecologic. Wow. So let's try that one also. Wash mist. Okay. This, what is this one? This is refresh all or almost all interior. Wow. We're gonna try that one. See what that's do. Then we have these boxes. Cloth barrier. Okay, so this some kind of product to fluorine polymer, hydrophobic, coat in textile. So the dirt doesn't anymore stick to the seats. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Leather fine. So this, I think this same stuff but just on leather seats. Yes, it will protect and give them leather shines and washes and polishes. So we have 2 more items in here. Oh, there's some small brush. Let's see, seat and mat cleaner, and with the brush, so I can brush those. Wow. This is antibacterial. It will remove any odors and kills bacteria. Wow, this is good in this situation we have in the world. And this is the cleaning brush. It goes with that product. And what is this last one? Classic and clear wash mist. In all surfaces, materials in house, car, place. So this is a cleaning product for everything out inside your car and house. LCD panels, glasses, antibacterial, and removes odors. Whoa, this we're definitely gonna use that one. There's a lot of it, 4 liters. We're gonna clean a lot with that one. So this is all what we have in that gift bag from Soft99 Europe. And we're gonna use every one of these to try them, and I will give information and feedback to all of you and to Soft99 Europe for this products and how they turn up to use and what they do and how easy they are to use and all that kind of stuff. So follow my Instagram and we'll see you again when we start using these